Hey, this is Tito. We're going to talk about socks. Right? Hi. Do you have problems wearing socks? Do you wish your socks would fit just a little bit better? I got good news for you, friends. This package right here might be the best thing that's ever happened to your feet. These came from Amazon. They're going to be good socks. These socks are going to change the way you... These socks are going to be fucking great. Ready for these socks? You're going to walk better on these socks than you've ever... That's what they said on the thing. Let's dig right in. Oh, it's a big, heavy one. It's like a brick. It actually feels like a stack of cash. Look at this thing. It's like 2, 8, 9, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 10 or so pair. I don't know. We'll see. So much plastic in here. Oh, wow. All right, here we go. Good thickness to them. Nice stretchability. And they have this nice lining inside that. It feels really nice. Just right out of the bag, like they just feel thick. I hope these are going to be exactly what I'm looking for, y'all. Let's put them on my feet.
Kuvan 12-pack crew socks for men. Cotton, full cushion, moisture wicking athletic socks. About this item. Moisture wicking are men's crew socks made of 80% cotton, 20% spandex. Breathable material, non-binding, and minimizes blisters. Appropriate for all days. One size fits most. Reinforced heel and toe. Best men's athletic socks with reinforced heel and toe for enhanced durability. Full cushion. Heavy cushion socks keep feet comfortable and relaxed. All day. Well cotton socks for men. Attentive service. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any dissatisfaction with our men's long socks. We would be always by your side.
These socks are so soft. Wish I could bathe in these. That's stupid. We're gonna put these on our feet test. So now we're gonna try the all-important try-on test. We're gonna start with the right foot, because I'm right-footed. Ooh, that slide on nice. Nice and soft. I like to roll my socks down sometimes, but even if I pull them up, yeah, they're still tight around the calves. I'm not getting that super tight feeling up here. Let me try this left foot, even though I'm not left-footed. Yeah, they have a little bit of that like arch like stitching. And it does go all the way around, but I don't feel that it's as tight as, and they feel good. And this is what I've been rocking, these stupid 2018 Hanes athletic socks. I think it says Hanes Cool on there. There's nothing cool about these things. They're fucking hot and they make my feet sweat. And this is so tight. These are like made for like children. And then these other socks that I don't know if you can tell, but look at how skinny it gets right here. This is what the arch is. Look at how tiny this hole is. Like I have a man-sized foot. This thing is ridiculous. You can't even put a cucumber through there. They're hot. Very thick. There's only one thing left to do. That's put them in a shoe! So after wearing these socks for 20 minutes, these socks have been scrunched down. Not so high on the calves, but like scrunched down so that they're more around the bulk of the dumb part of the ankle, the top ankle, the sprained ankle part. So I'm going to try these shoes on and give them the old sneaker test. They're thick. Oh yeah, these socks are thick. You can feel the thickness of the sock inside the shoes. I think these are okay. This has been the most comprehensive sock. These socks are okay. We'll see how they fit, like in a week, I don't know. I'll tell you one thing about these socks, they're hot. They're hot. My feet do feel better taking them off, but that's not because of these socks. They're hot. I don't know, maybe in the springtime they're not so good, the summer, who knows, we'll see. But I have so many of them, these socks are okay. I'm gonna give these socks at least a 3 out of 7 right now. Just because they're fucking hot. But hey, check back next week. This is gonna be a great review of these socks in a week. Bye.